So ChatGPT is becoming surprisingly powerful when it comes to creating image ads. But the problem with it is that if you don't guide it well, you will get nice looking ads that don't convert. And because we don't care about nice looking ads, in this video we're going to cover how to create high converting ads, image ads that we've been creating for our 7 and 8 figure clients. We're going to cover 4 types of ads. You're going to get exact prompts so that by the end of this video, you'll be able to create high converting ads for your brand and see an increase in your Facebook ads returns. So the first type of ad that we're going to cover is called the benefit call out. So let's cover briefly why this type of ad can work very well for your ad account. So this type of ad works very well because it targets your ideal customer and evokes the right emotion by showing the exact results that your customer wants. It makes them stop scrolling at your image and gets them into the funnel. So when your customers are scrolling the Instagram or Facebook and when they see this type of ad, the thing that hooks them into it and hooks them into the funnel is this headline that stands out and that is calling them out by the benefit that they want in their life. So in this example, and by the way, this is the ad that I have created with the AI, which I will show you how to do. The benefit that stands out is that gloss that stays. So this is something that this type of avatar wants, and this is something that will get their attention, evoke the right emotion, and get them into the funnel to buy your product. So let's cover how I have created this ad so that you can create the benefit call out type of ad for your brand. So for each type of ad, I have created you a template that you can access down in the link in the description completely for free. And the only thing that you need to change are these bracketed things that are bolded in this point. For example, you have to import what is the niche, who is this product for, what is the product name, what is the clear benefit or results that you want to stand out and therefore get their attention. And after you change them, you just import them into the ChatGPT, which I will do right now, and you will get the high converting ad. I have to point out that at the moment of recording this, generating images with the ChatGPT is only their paid feature, but when you're watching this video, it might be that you can do it even at the free version. To not waste our time, I have already prepared a template in which I have fulfilled all these fields, and you can see that in the document as well. All the things that are bolded are fulfilled. So I will just copy this whole thing and paste it into the ChatGPT. Now, another thing that you have to do in order to get these images is obvious. You need to upload your product, which I have already prepared. And in this example, this is the product that we're going to import. It is the lip oil. This is how the product looks before I import it. In this example, you can see that it has removed the background, but you don't have to care about it. You can just import it even with white space because the ChatGPT will recognize the image of the product and therefore it will remove the background. And some of the examples that we're going to cover don't have their background removed, so you will see how it actually works. So now all you have to do is to just drag and drop this thing into the ChatGPT and therefore it will get uploaded here. And now once you have the uploaded image and once you have the prompt fulfilled, all you have to do is to click on this here, which will start with giving you the reply. Most of the time when you submit all these things, it will give you a text reply. You can review this text reply. You can just adjust it if you want and stuff like that. And if you like it or you don't want any adjustment, all you have to do is just to type in yes, please create. And all you have to do now is to press enter and it will start generating your image ad. So I will skip this part so we don't waste our time while it generates it. Okay, so we have our image ad created. This is how it looks like. It's very nice. It has pointed out the main benefit of the product, which is stated in the headlines so that it hooks the attention of the ideal customer and gets them into the funnel. So in this example, when I was doing it first time, because obviously every time you create an image, it's just not going to be the same. You're going to get various results. This is how it looked like. And the thing with this prompt is that each time you get this first reply, you will get this thing here, which are the suggested image concepts. So this is something that this prompt will also provide you. It will provide you with some suggestions of what you can also add in order to enhance your image. So when I was doing this one, I've gotten this proposition, which is to add a close-up smiling model applying the product and all that stuff. And therefore, when I have copied that and pasted, which I will do right now, you are going to get this one just enhanced with the new prompt that I have provided here. So let's skip this part so you can see how it looks. Okay, so this is what we have gotten, and this is one really well made ad. You can see the model is holding the product that we have previously uploaded. It states the headline, the main benefit, and once again we have a model that looks very realistic. So I think this ad will perform very well. The model is also communicating the thing that we have mentioned here. So it's joy, ease, and confidence. This is why it's very important important when you're doing the prompting that you really nail down when you communicate to the ChatGPT for whom you are serving your product. You want to mention that your ideal avatar, for example, is looking for a more confident look. Maybe they're looking to lose weight or something like that. And this is why it's very important to fulfill these fields according to your brand, according to your ideal prospect. And therefore, you will get a very nice results like I've gotten in these two examples. And this one is really good. So this is the benefit call out. You're hooking your audience with the headline, with the benefit that they're looking at. And when they see that benefit, it gets their attention, gets them into the funnel, and they finally place the order. So the next type of ad that we're going to cover is called the problem solution type of ad. So let's briefly cover why this type of ad can work very well for you. This type of ad works very well because it calls out your audience by stating the problem that they are experiencing, making them feel understood and then offering a clear solution. So it's empathy type of thing. You're saying that you understand them, which gets their attention and it hooks them into the funnel where they place the order. So they stop scrolling because they see a message that they resonate with, and that's how they get into the funnel. So in this example, this is also created with the AI. You can see it states the main problem that the customer is experiencing, and it is the tired of the coffee crashes. When they see this ad, if they have this problem, they will resonate with it, and therefore they will see the rest of the ad and consider buying your product. So in this example, I have as well prepared you a template. For this one, you really need to nail down what is the core problem that you're addressing so that the ChatGPT can understand how to craft the right message, and then you want to mention what is the solution that your product is offering. So once again, I have prepared one example here so that we don't waste our time. It's just going to be all the same. You fulfill all these fields, you paste them into the ChatGPT, and then you upload the image of your product. So I'm at the ChatGPT now. I'm just going to paste this thing, and now I'm going to upload the image of the product. In this case, this is rice. And as you can see, this one has the white background, and the ChatGPT will automatically detect that and create an ad with the product that we have uploaded. So now that it's uploaded, I'm just going to press this thing. And once again, it will first give us the reply in the form of text, which we just have to review and confirm if we like all the things. And if we like all the things, we're just going to proceed with creating the ad. I really like the headline. It says tired of jitters and crashes, which is exactly what we want. There's a problem that we want to highlight and get our customer to resonate with. So I'm just going to type, yes, please create. So that's it. Now I'm going to skip this part. Okay, so it has completed this image ad, and you can see it's very similar to the one that we have previously created because it's the same prompt. It has the headline that gets the attention, and it has then the transformation of the before. You can see how this woman is kind of tired, is yawning, while this on the right is fully energetic and all that stuff. Now these two images look a little bit of the AI. I think my first response was just a little bit better. It didn't look that much AI, but what you can as well do, you could just type in here, can you make these two models more realistic? They look a little bit more of the AI, and therefore the ChatGPT will polish all these things and give you improved results. I also like the fact that it has positioned the product on the right, where it shows that it's on the side of the after. So after using the rice mushroom coffee, we have the results, which is feeling more energetic and all these things. And this type of ad can work very well for unlocking your cold audience, because you're essentially appealing to the wider audience that have the problem, but they probably don't know about your solution. And if you create this type of ad very well, it can really help you reach out to new customers that otherwise with other types of ads such as offer type wouldn't be possible. So for that reason, problem solution type of ad can be very effective for reaching the cold audience. And whenever we have helped our clients with the problem solution type of ad, we have significantly reduced their cost per acquisition. And by the way, if you need help with growing your e-commerce business, you can book a call with me in the link in the description, where we will see what is the personalized strategy for your brand to help you achieve the profitable growth. So this is a problem solution type of ad. You get their attention with the problem, they resonate with it, and therefore they see your solution and consider buying your product. So the next type of ad that we have here is the customer testimonial. And this is a very powerful type of ad because it works very well as it builds trust by showing real people getting real results. The key quote, which we're going to cover, often acts as a hook, making them stop scrolling and pulling them into the funnel. The key quote should tackle the core desire or benefit that the customer craves. So in this example, we have Bomba socks, once again created with the AI, and the core benefit of these socks is that they are very comfortable. And for that reason, when you put the customer testimonial that is pointing out this core benefit, the new customers will immediately see it, resonate with it, start building the trust because it's from the testimonial, and therefore they will get into your funnel and consider buying your product. So in this example, you can see how one part of the customer testimonial is highlighted, and this is the thing that gets their attention and therefore gets them into the funnel. Another thing that is great to do here is to have the name of the reviewer so that the review seems credible and therefore they trust it. So in this example, this is the prompt, and in this one you are going to put in what is the full customer review or quote. You want to input what is the name of the reviewer, what is the core benefit that we want to highlight, and of course import the product that you are advertising. So once again, I'm just going to copy and paste the example that I have prepared. I'm going to create a new chat here. I'm just going to paste my example, and then I'm going to paste the product that we're advertising. This is the product. Once again, a white background is there, so it's not remove background. I'm just going to upload it here, and therefore once it's done, I'm just going to hit on the enter. First, we're going to get the text reply here, and then I'm just going to type in yes, please create. So we have our ad now created. This is how it looks like. Very good ad. Once again, we have the headline that is standing out and therefore getting the attention of the customer. You can always import another quote of your customers if you want to change what it shows. You can always adapt the ad that ChatGPT has provided you with. In this example, let's say I want to remove this text. I think it's very good, but I just want to show you how it behaves in this example. So I'm just going to type in remove all day text, and I'm going to press the enter. So this is the result. As you can see, it has removed this text which I pointed out, and this is how you actually can always refine the image that ChatGPT has provided you. And as you can see, it does a very accurate job. It has also expanded a little bit of the text in the height to fill in this real estate where the text was, and therefore you can really enhance your image ads for the Facebook. So the next and the last type of ad that we have here are the comparison ads. This type of ad work very well because they clearly shows the transformation, and these transformations can be in three different forms. For example, it can be us versus them, in which you are comparing your solution against the competitor. It can be before versus after, or it can be now versus future. So in this example, we have the Huel shake, and let's cover how I have created this image ad with the prompt that we have here. So once again, you're going to fill all these things. The thing that is important here is that you want to fill out this field here, which says what are the competitors, to which solution you are comparing your product, so that therefore the ChatGPT can know what to put actually on the left side of the comparison. Another thing that you want to as well point out is what is the difference between your product and the product that you're comparing at. This field is for that, and therefore the ChatGPT can have the full information and craft the perfect image ad for you. So let's do it for this product. Once again, I'm just going to copy my example that we have here. I'm just going to create a new chat here and then upload the image that we have here. This is the image. In this example, you can see the background is removed. So I'm just going to upload it like this, and then I'm going to click on the enter. So now I'm getting the text reply, and I'm going to type in yes, please create. Okay, so this is the ad that we've gotten from the ChatGPT. It's not bad. I like the first one that I've gotten from it. I think it would be better if we have had like the image of the real shake here, not the icon. So you can just type in like, give me the full image of the typical shake, not the icon, and therefore you will get the result that you want. Also, another thing that I don't like that much is when you have this text, which is one color here and then another here. It looks nice, but you always want to go for the single color, even if you have had like some solid background, because it will just make the readability much more easier, and therefore it will get the attention. It will be easier to read, and therefore more people will read the message and therefore get into the funnel, right? So this is how it has created the comparison ad. And what I also wanted to point out is that you can always use this comparison ad in the combination with other types of ads. In this example here above, you can see that it has created this problem solution ad, which is at the same time the problem solution and the comparison. So we have before and after, but it still stays the problem at the top. So therefore it hooks their attention. So you can always mix up between these things and therefore get the ad that will help you with increasing your returns. So that's it for this video. You'll find the link to this document down in the description. You can use these prompts for your brand. If you have any questions, let me know down in comments. And also, if you need help with growing your e-commerce business, you can book a call with me in the link in the description, where we will see what is the personalized strategy for your brand to help you achieve the profitable growth. And if you like this video, you can watch this next video, which will also help you with increasing your revenue and your profitability.